Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how I do my nails using the Makar Polygel nail kit that I bought on Amazon. It has everything that you need. The polygels, the nail form, the brush and picker, the nail cleanser. It comes with a UV lamp and also the top coat and the base coat. These are my natural nails. Don't judge me, I'm a biter, so I'm just going to push back my cuticles gently. And you also want to use a e-file or a nipper, whatever you have, to clean your cuticle bits. Remove all the dead skin from your cuticles. Lightly use a buffer and buff your nails to remove all the natural shine from your nails. And you do this for all 10 fingers. These are the different size nail forms that come in the package. You're going to choose a size according to the size of your nail. After you're done buffing your fingers guys, you remove the excess dust using alcohol. This is the base coat that I use, and you're going to apply one layer of base coat to each nail, and you're going to cure that for 60 seconds. So guys, you're gonna squeeze a portion of the polygel onto the spatula and apply that to the nail form. Use your brush to spread it on the nail form. I can't give you a definite measurement. It depends on how thick you like your nails and how long you like your nails. But you have to use your judgment for this part. However, there are some lines within the nail form that can help to guide you. Now after doing that, you're gonna gently place the nail form onto your natural nail. You don't want to squeeze too hard, but enough that it holds onto your nail. There may be some excess around the edges, and you can just use your brush and the cleanser or alcohol, because you can use alcohol to substitute the cleanser that comes with the package, and you're gonna clean the excess off your skin. Now guys, you want to cure that for like 120 seconds. That's what I do. After curing, you gently twist the nail form off, and this is what your nail looks like. Very pretty. I repeat the steps guys for each nail. Squeeze your polygel onto the spatula, place it in your nail form, shape and sculpt the nail. Once you're comfortable with the way you sculpt the nail guys, you gently go ahead once more, press that onto your nail gently. Gently, not too hard. Clean off your excess using your brush, and you cure once more for 120 seconds. Guys, after you've finished curing, you gently squeeze the ends of the nail, squeeze the sides gently, not too hard. You'll see the nail form lifting, and you'll see your results, and voila, looks very nice, right? So guys, after I finish repeating these steps for all 10 fingers, I'm gonna go in with my nail file, and I'm gonna file my nails and shape them how I want them. If you have a drill, you can use a drill. I don't, so I make my nail file work for me. and it's very, you just gotta be gentle on your nails. After I'm done filing and shaping my nails, I then go in with the Macard top coat. I apply one layer to each nail and I allow that to dry for 60 seconds. Try not to get the top coat on your skin, guys. Keep it just on the nail. After curing for 60 seconds, guys, this is the finished product. I really love the way they came out. This is a easy to do at home tutorial if you can't make it to the salon. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.